Dear first prep students, welcome to the most important lesson in your second term algebra, which is equations. Why solving equations is a very important? The answer is solving equations is a base for all branches of mathematics in the next years in your study till your graduation. And it is important to solve many problems in your daily life. And now, let's go to the examples to know how to solve equations. Example 1. Find the solution set in n for the equation 2x plus 7 equal 35. The equation has two sides, left hand side and right hand side, and between them there is an equal sign. Solve the equation means to find the value of x. In our equation, x is a natural number. Remember that the natural numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So x must be one of the natural numbers. The first step in solution is to remove 7, to move it to the other side by a different sign. 2x equal 35 minus 7. 35 minus 7 equals 28. So the equation will be 2x equals 28. Step 2, to remove 2 by division the right hand side. So x equals 28 divided by 2. Yes, very good. 28 divided by 2 equals 14, and 14 is a natural number. So the solution set equals 14. Now, you have to try to solve this exercise by yourself. Now let's check your answers. Yes, very good. The first step, 3x equal 26 plus 4. You moved negative 4 to the other side by change it to be plus 4. Add 4 to 26, 3x equal 30. The second step is to find x. So x equals 30 divided by 3. Yes, very good. 30 divided by 3. And 30 divided by 3 equals 10. So x equals 10. 10 is an integer number. So the solution set of the equation equals 10. Example 2. Find in Q the solution set for the equation 4x plus 5 equals 8. You know that Q is called the rational numbers, which contains decimals, fractions, integers, and natural. So the value of x will be one of them. We use the previous steps in the previous examples to solve this equation. It's the same as the previous example. So the first step is to move 5 to the other side by the negative sign. 4x equals 8 minus 5. Yes, very good. 4x equals 3. Step 2 is to remove 4. So x equals 3 over 4, and 3 over 4 is a fraction, belongs to Q. 3 over 4 is a rational number, so solution set equal 3 over 4. Very good. Example 3. Find in Q the solution set for the equation 4x plus 2x plus 8 equal 30. You see that there are two terms contains x, 4x and 2x. The equation has two terms contains x, 4x and 2x. So you have to add the two terms to be one term. 4x plus 2x equals 6x. So the equation will be 6x plus 8 equals 30. And solve it by use the previous steps by moving 8 to the other side by negative sign. So 6x equal 30 minus 8. Yes, very good. 6x equals 22 move 6 to the other side by division. X equals 22 over 6, and simplify it. X equals 11 over 3, and 11 over 3 is a rational number, so the solution set will be 11 over 3. Example number 4. Find in Q the solution set for the equation 8x plus 5 equals 6x plus 35. As you see, there are two terms contain the x. 8x in the left side and 6x in the right side. So the first step in solution, you have to collect the terms contain the x in a side and the other numbers in the other side. So you have to move 6x to the left side and 5 to the right side by changing signs. So step 2 will be 8x minus 6x equals 35 minus 5. 8x minus 6x equals 2x. So the left hand side will be 2x and the right hand side will be 30. 35 minus 5 equal 30. 2x equal 30. Yes, very good. You have to find x. X equal 30 divided by 2 equal 15, and 15 belongs to Q. So the solution set equals 15. Very good. Exercise. Find in Q the solution set for the equation 9x minus 3 equals 5x plus 9. Try to solve it by yourself. Select the terms contains x in a side and the numbers in the other side. 9x minus 5x equals 9 plus 3. Notice that negative 3 moved to the other side by different sign, so it will be plus 3. 9x minus 5x equal 4x and 9 plus 3 equal 12. So the equation will be 4x equal 12. Yes, very good. X equal 12 divided by 4. X equal 3 and 3 belongs to Q. So the solution set equals 3. Very good. Example 5. Find in Q the solution set for the equation 3 open bracket 2x minus 7 close bracket equal 9. This equation has brackets. So before solving this equation, you have to remove these brackets by multiplying 3 by the two terms inside the bracket. 3 times 2x and 3 times 7. 3 times 2x equals 6x and 3 times 7 equals 21. And 9 still as it is. 6x minus 21 equal 9. Move negative 21 to the other side by positive sign. 6x equal 9 plus 21. 9 plus 21 equal 30. 6x equal 30. X equal 30 divided by 6. X equals 5. Solution set equals 5. Example number 6. Find in Q the solution set for the equation 3x minus 1 over 2x plus 5 equals 2 over 7. This example for excellent pupils. As you see, the left hand side is a fraction and the right hand side is a fraction also. So the first step to solve this kind of equations, make a scissors, multiply up of the left hand side by down of the right hand side, and multiply down of the left hand side by up of the right hand side, as you see. 7 open bracket 3x minus 1 equals 2 open bracket 2x plus 5. Now multiply the numbers outside the brackets by the terms inside the bracket. 7 times 3x equals 21x, and 7 times 1 equals 7. So the left hand side will be 21x minus 7. The right hand side, 2 times 2x equal 4x, and 2 times 5 equals 10. The right hand side will be 4x plus 10. Now collect the numbers contains x in a side and the numbers doesn't contain x in the other side. 21x minus 4x equals 10 plus 7. The left hand side will be 21x minus 4x equals 10 plus 7. Subtract 21x minus 4x, the answer will be 17x. And the right hand side, 10 plus 7 equals 17. 17x equals 17. By division, x equals 17, divide 17, x equals 1. So the solution set equals 1. Example number 7. Find in Q the solution set for the equation x plus 2 over 4x plus 3 equals 1 over 2. And this example for excellent pupils. As you see, as the previous example, the left hand side is a fraction and the right hand side is a fraction. So first step for solving this example, to make a scissors or make a cross multiplication. Multiply up of the left hand side by down of the right hand side, and multiply down of the left hand side by up of the right hand side. So multiply 2 by x plus 2 and 1 times 4x plus 3. The left hand side will be 1 open bracket 4x plus 3 equals, the right hand side will be 2 open bracket x plus 2. Now multiply the numbers outside the brackets by the terms inside the brackets. 1 times 4x and 1 times 3, and the right hand side 2 by x and 2 by 2. 1 by 4x, the answer is 4x, plus 1 times 3 equals 3, 2 times x equals 2x, 2 times 2 equals 4. Now collect the numbers contains x in a side and the number doesn't contain x in the other side. 4x minus 2x equals 4 minus 3. The left hand side 4x minus 2x equals 2x, and 4 minus 3 equals 1. 2x equals 1. By division, x equals 1 over 2, so the solution set equals 1 over 2. Now with the homework, you can send the answers of the homework by using WhatsApp, Facebook, or in comments in our channel in YouTube. Thanks.